Let us learn about profit and loss. In this chapter, we will be learning about cost price and selling price and profit and loss. Now, before we begin the chapter, let us have a quick warm-up. Shweta's father, Mr. Kapoor, opened a kirana shop. From where did Mr. Kapoor get the whole wheat, sugar, salt and the other items? Mr. Kapoor got those items of stationery from a wholesale shop or directly from the factory. Now, Mr. Kapoor, like all other shopkeepers, wants to make money. Let us see what he does. He buys wheat flour for 15 rupees and sells it for 20 rupees and 50 paise. Has he made a profit? Yes, but how much? The cost price of wheat flour is 15 rupees and the selling price of the wheat flour is 20 rupees and 50 paise. The difference between the selling price and the cost price is calculated as 20 rupees and 50 paise minus 15 rupees, which makes him a 5.50 rupees profit. Mr. Kapoor made a profit of 5 rupees and 50 paise. Let us understand the meaning of cost price and selling price. The price at which a shopkeeper buys a product is called its cost price. In short, cost price is written as CP. The price at which the shopkeeper sells the product is called its selling price. In short, selling price is written as SP. Let us talk about profit and loss. Now, generally, shopkeepers tend to sell articles at a price which is higher than its cost price. The difference between the selling price and the cost price is the profit that the shopkeeper made. Now, this profit is denoted by the letter P. Therefore, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which can also be written as P is equal to SP minus CP. Sometimes the shopkeeper may sell an article at a price which is lower than its cost price. When this happens, there is a loss that is incurred by the shopkeeper. This loss is denoted by the letter L. This can be written as loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, or L is equal to CP minus SP. For example, a car dealer bought a car for rupees 8,84,000 and sold it for 8,90,000 rupees. The cost price of the car is 8,84,000 rupees and the selling price of the car is 8,90,000 rupees. Here, the selling price is greater than the cost price. Since the dealer is selling it at a price more than its cost price, he earns a profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is equal to rupees 8,90,000 minus rupees 8,84,000, which gives us rupees 6,000. Which means the dealer earns a profit of rupees 6,000. Let us talk about profit and loss percentages. We often come across newspaper clippings where the profit or loss is shown in the form of percentages. For example, ABC Ltd earns a profit of 30% for the year 2015 and 16, or 5% off on purchases above rupees 1,000 and above. The profit or loss percentages are calculated on the basis of the cost price of the article. The profit or the loss percentages are calculated using the following relations. For profit percentage, we use profit by cost price into 100 followed by the percentage symbol. For loss percentage, we use loss by cost price into 100 followed by the percentage symbol. For example, a shopkeeper bought sugar at the rate of rupees 35 per kg from the wholesaler. He sold it at rupees 40 per kg. What is his profit percentage? The cost price of the sugar is rupees 35 and its selling price is rupees 40. Since the selling price is greater than the cost price, there is profit. Therefore, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is rupees 40 minus rupees 35, which is a 5 rupee profit. Now, profit percentage is profit by cost price into 100 followed by percent, which is 5 divided by 35 into 100, which gives us a profit percentage of 14.2%. Here, the way you can solve and crack the percentage of profit or loss is to read and understand the given problem, to identify the selling price and the cost price of the article, and identify if the selling price is greater than the cost price or vice versa. If the selling price is greater, then use the profit percentage or the profit relation. If the cost price is greater than the selling price, then use the relations of loss or loss percentage. Before we end the chapter, let us jump into a quick exercise.
A dining table costing rupees 3,280 is sold for rupees 4,875. Find the amount of profit or loss. Here, the cost price of the dining table is 3,280 rupees, while the selling price is 4,875. This means that the selling price is higher than the cost price, meaning there is a profit made.
To calculate the amount of profit, we subtract 3,280 from 4,875, which gives us the result of 1,595, which is the amount of profit made on the dining table by the shopkeeper. As we've reached the end of the chapter, let us have a quick revision of what we've learned so far. We have learned cost price and selling price, profit and loss, and the profit and loss percentages.